Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the base dimension here 80 by 80, thickness is 10 mm, and also on the corners there is a 4 circles, dia 26 and dia 16 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new updates. Select extruded bars, select the top plane, create one center rectangle first, give the dimension 80 by 80. Create circle on the corners, give the dimension dia 26 and 16 mm. Create center line, select these two circles, mirror entities, mirror about center line. Okay. Select these 4 circles, mirror entities, mirror about center line. Okay. Finish sketch, extrude, thickness is 10 mm. Okay. Control 7 for ISO view. Select front plane, sketch, create one circle here, give the dimension 60 mm, height is 80 plus 36, give the vertical alignment here, create line, select this line, give the vertical constraint, trim this line. Okay. Select extruded bars, select the mid plane here, dimension is 60 mm. Next here you can see there is a dia 16 and dia 8 flange is there. First I will create this flange dia 16. For this we can create from the base also. Extrude up to 152 mm. Next I will go with remove materials. Select this surface, sketch. Here you can see there is a 3 circles, dia 18, dia 30 and dia 40. So I will try to do it in a single sketch. Give the dimensions, go to edit sketch, (40 mm), 30 and 18. Finish sketch. Select here extruded cut. This is first hole is through hole. Okay. Next one is (37.5). Okay. Last one is 20 mm depth. So it is all done in single sketch. Select this surface, sketch, create one dia 8 circle, give the dimension 8 mm. Select extruded cut, here we can select up to next. Next select this surface, sketch, create one circle here, the dimension is 24 mm, from the bottom 36 mm. Give the vertical alignment. Extruded cut, the depth 17.5 depth. Mirror this cutout, select the center plane. Okay. Next select this surface, sketch, create one circle, dia 14. Finish sketch. Extruded cut, select here up to next. Okay. Next there is a entire half cutout is there. For that select this surface, sketch, select here corner rectangle, take this point, just create like this. So you no need to give dimension here, actually just we need cutout of half of the part. Select through hole. Okay. Next select this surface, select the front plane, sketch, create one circle 38 mm, and also create line. Trim entities, trim this. Finish sketch, extruded cut, select the mid plane. You can see the dimension here 42 mm. Control 7. That's it friends. Now I will go to material assign. Here you can see there is a material, edit material. I will go with aluminum alloy. In this I will go with 6061 T6. Apply, close. Go to edit appearances, assign some different color here. So we can change the machining surfaces color to identify the machining spots. Here select future, select, first remove this entire part, select the futures, Next change it into faces, add these 4 faces. Just assign some different color. We need to add these 2 also. Okay. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.